You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Now, this is a super interesting word. If you don't know what it means, I'll explain in a second, but pronunciation first. Pareidolia. Pareidolia. Pareidolia, so that's the tendency to perceive a specific, often meaningful image in a random or ambiguous visual pattern. So you have something in nature, like plants, for example, and it appears like there's a specific shape in it. Pareidolia is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.